Hey, it's Jed Lurie with Western New York Real Estate TV, and we're here with Bethany Botzenhart. Bethany is a licensed salesperson with Howard Hanna Real Estate in the Williamsville office off of Sheridan Drive. We're at 96 Soldiers Place in the city of Buffalo, in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods, which houses rarely go on the market. Bethany, it's nice to meet you.
Hi, great to meet you too.
Tell me a little bit about the property.
Oh my gosh, 96 Soldiers Place is absolutely incredible. So much original architecture, Eber green tile in the foyer. It was built in 1910. It's just over 3,500 square feet, 3 floors, just incredible space. Original fireplaces. Kitchen has been updated. We know this house needs some love. It just needs the right buyer to come in. This would be $1 million property for sure.
I took a walk through the house earlier, and it looks like there is storage that just goes on for miles. It's fantastic, and there have been some updates, and some other projects have to, I'm sure, be completed also.
For sure. It definitely needs a new roof and somebody to go through and update some painting, bathrooms, things like that. But again, it's just incredible, the detail and the architecture. They just don't build homes like this anymore. The fireplaces with the marble steps, even in the entranceway going into the home, just spectacular.
Beautiful. Well, we're at 96 Soldiers Place in the city of Buffalo, off of Lincoln Parkway, and we're with Bethany Botzenhart for Howard Hanna Real Estate office in Williamsville off of Sheridan Drive. Thank you.